Hi there. I thought I'd make a quick video on how to put together some beehive frames because the first time I did it, I didn't do it exactly right, and then later in the season that can lead to problems when you're harvesting the honey. So yeah, this is just a super frame from Fawn. So start by taking the top slat and just pulling this off. Then take the side pieces and make sure that the grooves are facing inwards. Sometimes you have to apply quite a lot of pressure to get it in. Then you take one of your bars, you put it in. So that's what it's like so far. Now I'm going to put in a wax sheet. So you can see there's the wire, and the one that has 3 pieces of wire I like to put facing down, so you can slide that through. Sometimes it's worth, with a Stanley knife, just taking off a few millimeters to get it in easier, but let's see how it goes. Pretty good. And then you want to bend these 3 bits of wire upwards. Great. Now you can lie it flat, make sure it's sitting in the groove. Then I like to add the bottom piece, and that's what's going to really secure the wax. And you can also put the top one in now. I like to put it on later, just it's easier to get the wax foundation in. There we go. So that's the frame, but that's no good because it has no nails yet. So let's put the nails in, otherwise it's just going to fall apart. And it's important to note that you need 11 nails in each frame. If you're not putting in 11 nails into a frame, then it might fall apart. That's what I learnt earlier in the year. So I like to start with the central one. And also you can get smaller hammers that are designed for this very job. This is quite a big old clumsy hammer. So you put 3 nails in the bottom. Nice, you can see that. So 1, 2, 3. Just get the right type of nail. It's 4. And then 4 more go here, here, here and here. So that's connecting the sides to the top. Great. And the other side. So that's 5 nails so far. Flip it over. Number 6. Number 7. And then there's just 4 more now on the bottom to make it to 11. So I've got some smaller nails in here, so you need to find the right ones. These nails are about 2 centimeters. That's number 8. doing this on the flattest surface. 10. Cool, so that's all 11. So it's really, you know, you can't pull it apart. It's really secure. The wax is really, so like once the bees fill both sides with honey, it's gonna get quite heavy, but that's gonna hold. So there it is. I think it's good just to make sure you're putting 11 nails in, because if you don't, when you come to harvest, there's a chance it might fall apart. So yeah, I hope this was a useful video for you. Thank you very much. Do you have a green cinematography, Tim?